Shrike here. Look at this wonderful curve. We are seeing some correction in the Ethereum market right now. Expect it to go down a little bit more. It's going to have a bull takeover soon. This is the correction that I've been waiting for a few days now. As far as Litecoin goes, it continues to struggle, bouncing along the bottom for about a day and a half now. This, I believe, is the all-time bottom, and I think we're going to start seeing some final increases to Litecoin. And the reason for that is because Ethereum had a huge run-up. Look at the Coinbase assets. We have Ethereum, right? It had its run-up several days ago. Then Bitcoin, several days before that, had its run-up. And then we have, of course, Bcash that had a very sharp run-up yesterday, and then a drop again and a recorrection. So out of all the big four that are held on Coinbase, we have Litecoin that's been struggling and waiting forever. And of course, in the cryptocurrency world, forever means about a month. So we are really ready for an increase on Litecoin. And these currencies tend to take turns being in the lead in terms of investment. As far as where the market is in terms of being down, Bitcoin has had a lot of negative news recently because of the South Korean investment. This and also the futures market is going to be pushing it back and forth. Watch for the January 17th when a lot of the futures contracts start coming due. Expect the Bitcoin price to be manipulated as much as possible by big traders up until then. It's going to become an increasingly risky asset to hold. Of course, there's always a possibility of another run-up, but that's going to be determined more and more by futures markets as time goes on. Of course, the markets are nascent and in their infancy, so a lot of people are selling out of Bitcoin right now. It's too bad because Bitcoin is a wonderful currency, as with that apex currency for trades on Kraken into other currencies. I say if you expose yourself to Bitcoin right now, do so at your own risk and in short periods. I am holding a bit for the long term, but I'm not buying at 13.3, 13.4, 13.2. I'm going to wait. If it drops as low as 12.700, I'll think about a trade, but that means everything else is probably dropping as well. Ethereum, yeah, expect this downward trend line for a bit. The question is, where does it bounce? And my guess, it's probably going to bounce around 1050. I've been upwardly revising this every day. I've been saying 850, 950. Now I'm saying 1050, right in this zone right here. All right, Litecoin. Litecoin stands on the edge of the stage. It's ready for another boost. I'm expecting it to go up to about 250, 270. All right, we'll see that happen in the next few days.